Okay guys, we have a iPad here. This one is the 10th generation, and as you can see, the screen is cracked up bad, and we are going to remove. So I've already made an entrance there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just heat around the edges. I'm using 400 degrees heat. This is what we're gonna do. You wanna take your time as you go. Okay, so part of this is magnetic. Okay. Let's take your time. So here we go. We're gonna continue. Okay. So this corner is quite tricky. We really want to stay underneath like that. So you're gonna take our time. I like to use a plastic tool, and the reason is you will get less damage. And since I've been doing this sort of stuff, I have not been getting any damage using a plastic tool. What you need to do is make sure that it is flat as possible, because there are thickness in these. Some are thicker than some. You want to ensure that you don't use a very thick one. Okay, so as you can see, we run into a problem here. Where, but we soon will get that sorted out. The best thing to do is to go back all the way around. What we're going to be doing, we're going to do this side. So let's take our time. So there's camera cross here. So we want to stay away from the camera area. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to lift. We're going to lift this up. But I'm going to show you how we are going to do it. We're going to do it by lifting. Do it as we lift. Okay. So as you can see, we were able to get this up successfully. And we do have piece of the digitizer hanging here. We are just going to move this out of the way. And we do have a lot of cleaning off to do as well. We do have some cleaning off to do, so as much as possible, you don't want to touch the LCD screen. So yeah. So we're just going to test to make sure that the screen is all good. It's always good to test before proceeding. So as you can see, everything is looking good. Everything is looking lovely. And we want to shut down the tablet, so it's volume down on the power button. So what we're going to be doing, we are going to finish taking off this digitizer. So we do have some screws to move. I already moved the 2 screws here, start point. We have some on this side, and we also have some here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have to move those screws, right? It's very good to work with a magnetic screwdriver as well. So we're going to just remove them. Okay, so certain part of the iPad is magnetic. So it kind of makes it hard to move the screws. So yeah, you can see the ear of the tablet is magnetic. Okay, let me let you know that the screen is very expensive. So we should be able to lift the screen up. Let's see, up like this. So as you can see, we have the connection for the digitizer. So it will be best to remove the screen. Okay, so let's okay, for safety it will be very good to remove the screen. So the screen is now removed, and we have the two screws here that we need to secure. So guys, we are going to remove the ribbons. magnet thing. The screen is connected. The digitizer is connected as well. So all we have to do now is basically just check to see if everything is working. We can see the screen is lighting up. We need to ensure that the new digitizer is working. So let's see. We're gonna test this by shutting it back down. So we're gonna hold the volume down and the power button. And let's see if it's working. So it's working. It is working. So what we need to do is to put back in the screws in place. So guys, what we want to do, we want to stick the screen. So for us to stick the screen, there's a tape in which we have to remove. So you want to remove this. And we need to remove this one. So see, you gotta be so careful in doing this removal. So it's off. So what we're gonna be doing, we are going down with it. We are finished. So I'm going to plug in my Type-C cable. So guys, let's see. Okay, I just put in the password incorrectly. You do not want to do that with your Apple device. So guys, everything is working. I hope that this video was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comment section. Guys, my name is Lens. Do like, share, and subscribe.